Hello, it's me again, Siti Salwa from SMK Taman Mutiara. We'll continue with video number 4. The focus is reading. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to find the meaning of the words in the dictionary, underline the correct answer. Please refer exercise E on page 111. Question 1. When there are many police officers on the streets, it can prevent or commit crime. Definition: prevent, to stop something from happening. Commit, carry out. The answer is, when there are many police officers on the streets, it can prevent crime. Question 2. Can you predict or remind what will happen in 5 years? Definition: predict, guess, commit, remember. The answer is, can you predict what will happen in 5 years? Question 3. The police must catch or control the fans at a football game. Definition: catch, arrest, control, manage. The answer is, the police must control the fans at a football game. Question 4. Public or people transport is very expensive in some cities. Definition: public, everyone in a group or society. People, it refers to persons in general. The answer is, public transport is very expensive in some cities. Question 5. She threw the stick into the river and it drowned or sank to the bottom. Definition: drowned, died in water because of not being able to breathe. It can only be used for living things such as people or animals. Sank, went down into water but not necessarily dead. It can be used for things or people. Thus, the answer is, she threw the stick into the river and it sank to the bottom. Last, question number 6. Dad put in or put out a car alarm so that no one could steal his taxi. Definition: put in, to place something inside. Put out, to take something outside or remove it. The answer: Dad put in a car alarm so that no one could steal his taxi. Thank you.